degrees Celsius. We follow the Kosicki et al. To define the cold tongue index. And also, we try to make 4 events. We select 4 events category, combine between chance and city. It's like this, chance city occur together, and this is for chance independently occurred, and this is for cold tongue independently, and this is for normal condition without chance and cold tongue. And this is the scatter plot from the 4 cases, or 4 cases we selected before. We want to point it here that the extreme event of the chance and city combination is just a little bit compared to other data. And this is for the morning peak rainfall we composite from 2002 and 2000 until 2017. We see here that when chance city occurred together, so the diurnal rainfall of the diurnal cycle of rainfall occurred in the morning, from early morning, in the coastal region, which is very intensified. And we see here that the late afternoon of rainfall is reduced over the land. And we also see here that the morning of precipitation extends to the noon. And when chance event occurred, we see here that the much more late afternoon rainfall occur over the land and extend to the early morning. But also we see that there are semi-diurnal mode here for late afternoon rainfall, and also in the late morning rainfall, which is influenced by the ocean convection system. And this is for the cold tongue independently. If occurred, we see here that the late afternoon rainfall and the morning rainfall from ocean and from land is interact, and it's similar, like it seems like propagate from the land to the ocean, and the coastal region is influenced by the propagating. And this is for the normal condition. So basically there are 2 kinds of convection system which is influenced to diurnal rainfall in the coastal region, which is from land in the late afternoon rainfall, and from the ocean at about early morning precipitation. But if you compare to other cases, so it's lower intensity of rainfall compared to others events. This is case study for the Sun City and morning rainfall occurred from January 2009. You see here in this case, if strong northerly wind across to the equator, strong change occurred, so the temperature also cold, and if the sea surface temperature also colder to the south, and we see in the coastal region, it's around here, that there are a difference between the dry mass and the moist mass, and maybe probably this can cause the convection process, much more convection process, and produce the morning precipitation, which is persistent from the morning until the late afternoon. Also the following day like that. And this is the blue color. We focus in blue color. This is for the coastal region, amplitude of rainfall, and we see here that the rainfall occur from the late afternoon and extend to the early morning, and also following by the days after. And this is for chance cases. So it's basically same with the chance and city, but there is no cold tongue event here. And this is relatively same, the moist temperature here. And we also see here that the rainfall over the coastal region influenced by the convection over ocean. And this is for the cold tank events. If the cold tank event occur, we see that there are a little bit difference for the formation of the moist transport, and also, there propagate rainfall from the land, late afternoon rainfall from the land to the sea. And this is for the normal condition. So basically, there are two convection system or two rainfall system here, which is influence the coastal region. And the moist transport, is relatively same over coastal region. So it goes to the summary. The first is during intense city events, diurnal rainfall with high intensity are concentrated over the coast in the morning. And during intense event, the diurnal rainfall show a semi-diurnal mode with the rainfall occurred in the late afternoon and in the late morning over the north coast of West Java. During cold tank event, the duration of the late afternoon rainfall extends to early morning over the north coast of West Java. And in the normal condition, semi-diurnal modes of rainfall occurred in the afternoon and in the early morning. So we probably suggest that while the intense city occurred, the north